Alright guys, in this video we're gonna discuss upon script modules and talking about script modules. These are basically reusable functions that you can write in a specific language and you can reuse them wherever required in your projects. And basically it's just like step templates which are pre-configured, and we are using those step templates. So over here we can write some uh, kind of code in our specific languages, and we can reuse those functions wherever required. To create a new script module, you have to click on the library, and then you need to select the script modules over here, and then we're gonna click on add a script module. So over here you have to give a name to your module. So let's call it as say hello module. Alright, so under the description we can write something like just to say hello. Alright, and over here you can define your function or module in PowerShell, Bash, C Sharp, F Sharp, or Python. So let's select Python, and we're gonna add some simple a code over here which I had already prepared, and I'm gonna paste it over here. So what I'm doing over here is just uh, whenever we call this function hello with the parameter, it's gonna print on screen hello, the name that we just passed to this function, and how are you. So that's it, we can save it. Alright, so our module is ready now, so we need to go to the projects where we want to use this module. So let's go to the Echo project, and over here you have to select the process tab, and on the right hand side you will be able to see script modules. So as of now, with this particular Echo project, there is no script module attached, so you have to click on include, and from the list you have to select your module which you want to include in this project. So in our case, the name that we had given is say hello. So let's select this, and we're gonna click on save. Alright, so this module is attached with this Echo project now, and I'm gonna click on add step, as we're gonna create a new step to call this module. Let's click on script, and from the template library we're gonna select run a script. Alright, let's give a name as hello print. Alright, and then we're gonna select the role, that is web, for our targets, and then we're gonna give a call to our module over here. So to use that module with this project, you have to import that module with the same name. So in our case we given a name like say hello, so we're gonna import that. And if you want to call your function, you have to use the package name say hello, and then the function name that you created hello, and then we're gonna pass a parameter which will be the name. So let's pass Shiraj. So this is how you can call that module, and we are passing a parameter as Shiraj over here. And now I'm gonna click on save. So one thing that you need to make sure, if you are going to run, let's say, this particular module of Python on your deployment target, so you have to make sure, on your deployment target EC2, you have already installed the required packages of Python. So this is required, because otherwise, whenever we're gonna trigger this release, we're gonna get some error that Python package is missing from your deployment targets. Alright, so let's create a new release now, and we're gonna click on save over here. Alright, let's go to the overview tab, and then we're gonna select our release, and now it's time to deploy. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on deploy. So now it's gonna run basically the three steps that we had configured under the process. The first one is echo hello world, and then we are doing some host name check, and the third step basically is going to use the script module that we just added. So to check the logs, you can click on task log over here. So the first step is echo step, which got completed, and now it's running the second step. Alright, so our second step is completed now, and we can see the results. So as you can see, the third step is in progress. Alright, it's completed now. So we got the result like, hello Shiraj, how are you? So this Shiraj was the parameter that we had given, while calling this particular module under this hello printing step. If you scroll down over here, so we had given Shiraj as a parameter, and we had given a call to the hello function under this say hello module, and which was like configured in a way that it gonna receive a parameter at runtime, and it gonna print something like this, hello Shiraj, how are you? So that's it for this video, guys. You can create some script modules for your hands-on, and you can reuse them under your projects. Thanks for watching.